हेलो, मैं हूँ आरजे ईरा और वापस आ गई हूँ तड़का लगाने केएसी का यानी कि कर्नाटका एसोसिएशन कैनबरा का आज जो दिवाली का इवेंट हो रहा है और राज्योत्सव सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है। थोड़ी थोड़ी सुर्खियाँ आपको दिखाती रहेंगी। चलिए।
Thank you so much. Now it's time to welcome our President of Karnataka Association of Canberra, Mr. Sujit Mysore. Under Sujit Mysore's dedicated leadership, KSC has continued to grow as a vibrant community that celebrates Kannada culture, unity and togetherness here in Canberra. Let's put our hands together and warmly welcome Sujit, a proud Kannadiga and a driving force behind today's success.
Thank you so much for that introduction, Shraddha. That was really nice. That was really kind of you. To be honest, it's the entire committee who have put in a hard yard over the last few months to bring this up. So I would like to thank our entire committee for it. Before we begin, I would like to acknowledge. Okay. Before we begin, I would like to acknowledge that we are gathered here on the lands of Nanawal and Nambari peoples, the traditional custodians of this beautiful place we call home now. We pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and emerging, and extend that respect to all the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders. May we honor this land with friendship, community, and joyful celebration. Esteemed guests, respected representative Mr. Goswami from Indian High Commission of India in Australia, distinguished community leaders, sponsors, members of Karnataka Association of Canberra, and my dear friends. It is my great honor and privilege to stand before you today as we come together to celebrate Deepavali, the festival of light, and Kannada Rajyotsava, a day that fills our hearts with pride for our language, culture, and Karnataka heritage. And yes, before anyone asks, especially the kids, I'll try and keep this speech very short, which is difficult for me, but I'll try and do it. Just because there are some really good performances coming straight after this, which is probably a lot more entertaining than my speech. We all know the history that Deepavali, or also referred as Diwali in some places in India, is celebrated all over India to rejoice return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. It's about good over evil, light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, but it has its own magic in our own Karnataka. I remember from my early days when I was growing up, when we wake up early in the morning, we used to get an Enesana, which is an oil bath with castor oil, and then wash it off with shikakai, which actually symbolizes purification, followed by lighting the peacocks as the dust settles. From the warmth of Nalaka Chaturdashi to the grace of Lakshmi Puja and the festive spirit of Bali Padami, our celebrations in Karnataka reflect both spiritual depth and cultural beauty.
हेलो।
Many of you grew up waking up the fragrance of fresh
मैं दांत का ट्रीटमेंट करता हूँ। मैं डेंटिस्ट हूँ। ऑब्वियसली आई हैव अदर इंटरेस्ट, कम्युनिटी सर्विस, राइट। अच्छा लगता है और मैं गाना भी गा रहा हूँ। गाना सुनिए, लेकिन कन्नड़ा में गाना गा रहा हूँ। अब सुनिए, बाद में थोड़ी देर के बाद आएगा, लेकिन हाँ, बहुत सारे चीजें मैं करता हूँ और जस्ट वांट टू गेट इन्वॉल्व इन कम्युनिटी में थोड़ा इन्वॉल्व रहने का कोशिश करता हूँ। और रेडियो मनपसंद मनीष जी, कैसे हो आप? अगर ये देख रहे हो, थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग माय लॉयल पेशेंट्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। यस, आई होप दिवाली सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो, साथ साथ स्वीट्स कम खा रहे हो। थैंक यू सो मच।
classical arts, technology, Mysore Park, Mysore Masala Dosa, Mysore Vada, and more importantly, my surname is Mysore too. We are honored by the presence of Mr. Rajiv Goswami, First Secretary of the High Commission of India and Australia. Thank you for your support, sir. We do promise, we do have a lot of people. No one's going to have any OCR requests or the visa requests for you, so you can have your dinner peacefully. We also extend our heartfelt appreciation to our community leaders joining here today, our catering partner LR Kitchen, and our media partner Radio Manpasand, Masaira. A celebration of this scale is only possible through the support and generosity of our sponsors. We sincerely thank each sponsor for believing in our mission and helping us preserve and promote Kannada culture here in Australia. Your contribution has made this evening truly special. Please visit our sponsors. You can see 3 stalls down here. We have 2 of our platinum sponsors, Top Notch and Informa Tech. And then we have one of our silver sponsors, AI Constructions. When I walked there, I did see that they had a lot of goodies. So please feel free after the event to walk to them. And I'm their customer as well, so I can vouch for them. I'm sure you're going to gain something as well. So please do support our sponsors. Then, to our dedicated volunteers, can you see this beautiful stage? It's Pradeep, Shruti and their entire team who have set this up. They have set this up this afternoon. So a big thank you to them and a lot of volunteers who have helped us set this stage up today, stage and this event up today. And of course, how can I forget my super energetic committee members and their family members and their families for their tireless efforts. All of your passion and hard work will bring the huge career of cinema and media in Kannada. May Deepavali bring brightness, peace and lots of sweets, and may the calories not count towards this Diwali season. May Kannada Rajyotsava inspire us to teach our children our language, our values, and yes, most importantly, it's not anything how to say, Ayyo! Jai Kannada, Jai Karnataka, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sujit. Now, may I call upon Mr.
Hello.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you. Thank you.
Namaskar, good evening everyone. I see prominent members of the Indian Diaspora Committee here. Divya ji is there, Madhumita ji is there, Deepa Raj Gupta ji is there. It's an honor and joy to join you today evening to celebrate the Deepavali and the Karnataka Rajyotsav organized by the Karnataka Association. My heartfelt appreciation to Sujit and the entire Karnataka Association for keeping the Kannada culture alive in the city of Canberra and bringing the Kannada community together. I believe the association was formed in 2004, so 2 decades. Wow, great. On behalf of the Indian High Commissioner, the High Commissioner, and on my personal behalf, I take this opportunity to wish each one of you a very happy and prosperous Deepavali and a happy Kannada Rajyotsav. Deepavali Habada Battu Karnataka Rajyotsava Shubhashya Galu. As you all know, Deepavali is the festival of lights.
दीपावली का और कन्नड़ राज्योत्सव का शुभकामनाएं।
So on this occasion, let's light diyas in our hearts so that our hearts are filled with community, respect, brotherhood, and respect for each other. We saw, like as Sujit said, I'm not going to bore you with my speech. We had lovely performances just now. The Bharatnatyam, the lovely Krishnas and Radhas, and I was surprised to see a girl traveling all the way from Sydney just to perform here. And I'm going let's not waste time and watch the wonderful performances which are going to take place here. And I'm very happy and a prosperous Deepavali to each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Raji sir, may I have you back on the stage? We forgot something for you. Aye, please. We have a small token of appreciation for you, and this will be presented by two little kids. So,
But I didn't perform. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Hello. Thank you. She's the same.
Happy Diwali.
Can I please request all our sponsors to come up onto the stage and receive a small token of appreciation for your sponsorship from Mr. Rajiv Goswami. Can I please call Mr. Zishan from Top Notch Blinds? Mr. Zishan, please.
Happy Deepavali. Thank you. Happy Diwali to you too. Thank you.
Hello, happy Deepavali.
Happy Diwali.
Hello. Diwali.
Can I now please request Matt from Informatic? And Informatic is one of our independent sponsors. Can I now request Inna Reddy from AI Constructions?
ओके, तो अभी मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए ब्रेक ले लेती हूँ और फिर आपको बीच बीच में सुर्खियाँ दिखाती रहूंगी। मैं एंजॉय कर रही हूँ कर्नाटका एसोसिएशन कैनबरा का दिवाली और राज्योत्सव सेलिब्रेशन। आप भी हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिए और हमारा फेसबुक लाइव देखते रहिए पूरा तड़का लगा के। तब तक के लिए बाय।
Can I now request Swarup Kaushik from
Venkatesh, committee member Uday, Shraddha, Soumya, Sarita and Bhuvan. They have done a very tremendous job organizing this function. Lot of effort has gone on the background, and which why we are here today. And may I ask the committee members to light the lamp. Go for it, Sujit.
Hello, namaste. As well as a KC member.
Proud KC member.
Very proud.
Thank you, yaar.
Hey Deepak. Sure.
Hey, good.
Hello Deepak ji.
हमारा रेडियो मनपसंद.
अरे वाह, नमस्ते नमस्ते. हैप्पी दिवाली. बहुत ही अच्छा माहौल है. देखिए कर्नाटका वालों ने कितना अच्छा माहौल कर दिया है और इन्होंने दिवाली कैरी ऑन कर रखी है. अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है दिवाली.
Thank you very much, all the members, committee members.
पर अच्छा है ना, सेलिब्रेशन हो रहे हैं.
Now, the first program for today
यहाँ पे 2-2 महीने चले.
is
और 2 महीने पहले शुरू हो जाती है.
invocation violin. So we are delighted to start the program with violin recital by Miss Arushi Rao, Miss Anisha Rao, Mr. Yuvan Kamalakantan, ably accompanied by Mr. Saravanam on Mridangam. They will firstly play Ganesha Bhajan, Pahi Pahi Gajanana in Sindhu Bhairavi Raga, set to Adi Thala, followed by Tilana in Vrindavani Raga, also set to Adi Thala.
रेडियो लाइव है.
Okay. Now we have Mr. Sujit Mysore with us, President of Karnataka Association of Canberra. So please, Sujit, tell our listeners कि आज क्या event है. Of course, it's a Diwali event.
हाँ.
Tell something कि आज क्या-क्या programs होने वाले हैं.
अच्छा, आज का प्रोग्राम तो हम 2 प्रोग्राम्स एक ही में कर रहे हैं. आज एक दीपावली है, दिवाली है, सबको मालूम है दीपावली क्या होता है. और एक और हमारा कोइंसिडेंस क्या है, आज हमारा कर्नाटक राज्योत्सव है. इट वाज ऑन दिस डे दैट कर्नाटका वाज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम बीइंग अ मैसूर स्टेट. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, दोनों मिला के एक बड़ा प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. तो आज के दिन में तो आप देख सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छा स्टेज डेकोरेशन हुआ है और वी हैव बहुत कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स हैं. हमारा ड्रम्स है, भरतनाट्यम है, कुचिपुड़ी है, बहुत अच्छा इंडियन माइथोलॉजिकल फैशन शो है और कथक भी है. कथक भी है और आपका ही मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है. और हमारा हाईलाइट शो आज का तो माइथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स का एक फैशन शो है. आज आप रहे तो आप फेसबुक लाइव देखे तो आप एक फैशन शो देख सकते हैं. सब भी इंडियन माइथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स, 20 कैरेक्टर्स सभी ड्रेसों के 10 मिनट का मनोरंजन दे रहे हैं हमें. तो प्लीज डोंट मिस इट. और उसके बाद हमारा सबसे अच्छा फेस्टिव फूड है LR किचन से. तो वी होप एवरीवन कैन कम. आयरा जी आप प्लीज रहिए लास्ट तक और एंजॉय द प्रोग्राम और खाने भी.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your time, and then we will definitely go and enjoy with others.
थैंक यू यार. स्पॉन्सर का भी एक.
Yes.
This is Zishan from Top Notch. He is our platinum sponsor.
Thank you so much for giving us chance to represent here, and it's a really good event for your community, and we are always welcome and participate these type of events. So it's thank you for your support from your Karnataka community, especially we were very good customers from South India and especially Karnataka community. So this is one of our very happy customers.
100%. Absolutely. I am an example of a top-notch blinds customer. It's a really nice quality, the best service you can get in Canberra. So without doubt, if you're looking for blinds or curtains, don't look further than Top Notch.
Thank you so much, and we will definitely look after you, especially your community give us a reference, and we give you direct factory prices, so it will be special discount.
वैसे भी रेडियो मनपसंद पे आपको देख ही रहे हैं लोग.
Thank you so much.
जरूर आपको कांटेक्ट करें.
Thank you so much.
Matt, that's Radio Live. That's an Indian radio.
Radio Live.
It's on Facebook Live.
You are on Radio Manpasand.
Excellent.
That's a Hindi radio that mostly Indians love.
Beautiful.
I'll introduce you.
Okay.
This is Matt, and from Informatech. Informatech is, from what I know, one of the leading recruitment consultant in Canberra. They are one of our platinum sponsors. We are very glad to have you as a sponsor. Matt, off to you.
Yeah. No, we are. We're an ICT professional services company, servicing the federal government here in Canberra, but Australia-wide. Obviously, through Telangana and the event today, and other Indian holidays like Diwali, it's a very much a part of our social interactions and culture as a company, as we specialise in testing, project services, and infrastructure and cybersecurity as well. And obviously, there's a lot of skilled IT fellow migrant Indian consultants that we have the pleasure of engaging with every day. So thank you for having us, guys. Appreciate it.
And you have some goodies here as well.
we've got a bit of chocolate. We're actually just building a pyramid here right now. And then we've got some merchandise to give out to people with water bottles, keep cups, notebook, the whole thing. So, yeah, beautiful. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Innovation, okay.
This is another sponsor of ours, AI Constructions. They have started recently, but they are growing very rapidly. We have Inna Reddy, who is one of the directors for AI Constructions, and we're very happy that they were able to sponsor us today.
Yep,
Inna,
thank
off
you.
to you.
Yeah.
So what AI construction does?
We do new build homes as well as the knockdown and rebuild.
Okay, knockdown and
rebuild, yeah, and we do the custom houses as well. And build and sell is our one of the main motives. So win-to-win business, for the client wins as well as we wins. And yeah, we are doing a couple of projects in Gugang, Jaka, Kalin currently. So yeah, thanks Karnataka Association for having us here. Yeah.
Wonderful. All the best and keep growing.
Yeah,
Right.
thank you.
Thank you.
हेलो
जी आप बताइए, ऑफ कोर्स आप तो एंजॉय ही कर रहे हो, लेकिन क्या बताना चाहोगे? कर्नाटक का
1900
आपका कम्युनिटी है,
1955 नहीं 56
ओके
1956 नवंबर 1 को कर्नाटका केम इनटू बीइंग. तो every November, the whole month of November, we celebrate because not everybody can celebrate on the same day. So it's staggered through the month. So it's a big deal for us. और यहाँ पर क्या होता है, KAC का, कर्नाटक एसोसिएशन ऑफ कैनबरा का, दीपावली और राज्योत्सव दोनों उसी टाइम पे आते हैं ना, तो इसलिए दोनों मिला के दीपावली और राज्योत्सव दोनों बनाते हैं. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. And all, thank you. And all the best to Radio मनपसंद तड़का लगा के.
और मैं हूँ आरजे इरा, और आपको पता तो चल गया होगा कि कर्नाटका एसोसिएशन कैनबरा में हम आए हैं और तड़का लगा रहे हैं, बहुत सारा तड़का, दिवाली का तड़का, राज्योत्सव का तड़का, और मैं आपको बीच बीच में ये सारी सुर्खियाँ दिखाती रहूंगी, वो भी पूरा तड़का लगा के. एंजॉय कीजिए, दिवाली अभी बाकी है.
a totemistic deity represented by untamed wild boar, and finds its origins from coastal Karnataka, Tulunadu from India. The story goes as such. When the world was shadowed by the atrocities of demon king Hiranyaksha, his evil powers derived by deep penance, Lord Vishnu incarnates into his third avatara, the Varaha wild boar, to lift drowning Mother Earth from the deep dungeons of Netherworld and destroy the evil. A folklore of Tulunadu tells of Varaha's lineage reaching Kailasa in the Himalayas, where a young boar was spared by goddess Parvati. As the boar grew up, so did its wild nature. To save Kailasa from desecration, God Shiva exiled the boar to earth, turning its fury into a duty to protect. The boar spirit, Panjurli, became a Daiva, a demigod, the guardian of the land and a symbol of balance between the wild and the cultivated. Although the origin of this story is lost in time, the people of this region have kept the practice of worshipping the deity alive for centuries through folklores called Pardhanas. Enjoy.
ಸಾವಿರ ದೈವದ
हमने फर्स्ट एदुर ಏನು ತೊಡಗಿ
May I please call upon Mr. Sudhi Gai to present a small token of appreciation to the little kids. Stay there, little kids, stay there. Thank you so much. Next item is a semi-classical group dance by Sarita, Rupa, Rashmi and Parinita using the song Garkore Paradesiya. The ladies attempt to bring the feminine emotions held within Aranya and Sundarakand of Ramayana. The song personifies Sita singing for a beloved Rama. She swells into Singara Rasa and wells into one's own beauty, Karuna Rasa, as she describes the separation, pain, Adbhuta Rasa, displaying wonder and Shanta Rasa, chilling herself as a Jogan. Ably choreographed by Rashmi Srihari. Thank you so much, everyone. Sarita, Rupa, Rashmi, Parik, KAC ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ May I please call upon Mr. Sudhi Gai to present a small token of appreciation to the little kids. Hey there, little kids, stay there. Thank you so much. Next item is a semi-classical group dance by Sarita, Rupa, Rashmi and Parinita using the song Garkore Paradesiya. The ladies attempt to bring the feminine emotions held within Aranya and Sundarakand of Ramayana. The song personifies Sita singing for a beloved Rama. She swells into Shingara Rasa and wells into one's own beauty, Karuna Rasa, as she describes the separation, pain, Adbhuta Rasa, displaying wonder and Shanta Rasa, chilling herself as a Jogan. Ably choreographed by Rashmi Srihari. Thank you so much, everyone. Sarita, Rupa, Rashmi, Pari, KSC Vati in the next and sages. They will portray the eternal battle between the good and evil, truth and illusion, accompanied by soulful background music and expressive movement. This performance reminds us how ancient wisdom continues to guide modern lives. Let's welcome the mythical journey team with a big round of applause.
Silence everyone please. Thank you. Narad Muni, a divine sage who is messenger, traveler, musician and storyteller. Today he will be telling us stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Rama, the Prince of Ayodhya and seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He is known for his unwavering commitment to Dharma and his devotion to truth and duty. Sita, Rama's wife and incarnation of Goddess Parvati. She embodies purity, courage and loyalty. Lakshmana, Ram's younger brother, known for loyalty and selflessness, who accompanied Rama and Sita during exile. Ravana is a powerful king of Lanka, known for his knowledge and devotion to Lord Shiva. Hanuman, he is the personification and dedication and devotion. He is revered as a divine Vanara and devoted companion of the deity Rama. All of them will now enact the pivotal part of Ramayana, which is Sita Haran, abduction of Sita by Ravana and rescue by Ram, Lakshman and Hanuman. Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, music, arts, wisdom, and love.
Sorry, the smoke.
ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Hello. So, abhi after this mythological performance that was really going well, but because of the fire alarm we have to stop in between. लेकिन मैं हूँ आरजे ईरा, अभी तो खाने का भी टाइम हो रहा है. It's a time for Diwali celebration for Karnataka Association Canberra KAC and the Rajyotsava celebration as well. तो आज हमने बहुत सारा ये फन देखा भी है, पूरा तड़का लगाया है और मैं अब खाने का तड़का लगाने जा रही हूँ. वो आपको नहीं दिखाऊंगी, वो हम बाद में दिखा देंगे या मैं खुद खाना खा के मजे कर लूंगी. चलिए आप अपना ख्याल रखिए. यहाँ पे फायर अलार्म बज रहा है तो मैं भी अपना ख्याल रखती हूँ और ये सब भी अपना ख्याल रखेंगे. तब तक के लिए खाते रहिए, पीते रहिए, खेलते रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और दिवाली एंजॉय करते रहिए. मैं हूँ आरजे ईरा और आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो मनपसंद पूरा तड़का लगा के. बाय.